what's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? This is Shocks and this is ShocksCapital YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about prop firm trading, and we are going to be looking at the best prop firm to work with in the industry, and we are going to be looking at a solid strategy to use to pass your challenge. We're going to be looking at a solid money management and psychology strategy too, and I'm going to be going deep into how to excel and scale up your accounts fast with prop firms. So a lot of you guys have been asking me the best prop firm to work with, the best strategy to pass your challenges, the best money management and psychology strategy, and how to excel and scale up fast. So today we're going to be looking at all that, and before we go any further, let's just go and look at the best prop firm to work with in the industry. Welcome to Maven Trading. Maven Prop Firm, guys, this is the best prop firm. I've been looking at a lot of prop firm, guys, and I have come to a conclusion that this is the best. And hear me out why this is the best prop firm to work with and why it is the easiest Forex prop firm to get funded today. So number one, it has a unique account reset feature, as you can see from their website here. Lowest spreads and close to zero slippage in the industry. No time limits. You can take as much time as you need to pass your challenge. There's no pressure at all trading this prop firm, right? Let's look at the accounts that they offer, guys. They offer from $5,000 to $500,000 to $500,000 in capital, right? So they have three types of accounts, right? There's a two-step challenge, there's a one-step challenge, and there is an instant account that you can benefit from the onset, right? So we are going to look at the two-step challenge rules, and we are going to the one-step and the instant, and we will be going and looking at all the features that Maven Trading makes available to you as a trader and why you should consider it today. So number one, what's included there is infinity maximum trading days. You don't have pressure at all. They allow news trading, expert advisor. To my coding traders, you can come with your EA and it can trade for you, pass your challenge, and you can earn real money trading with Maven Trading. So there's weekend holding, unique buyback feature. We'll talk about this more in the next minutes of this video, right? So the profit target is only 9%, right? Industry standard, industry best. As you can see, the profit target is only 9% in the first phase and 5% in the second phase. Remember, this is a two-step challenge. You have to pass your first phase, then you get a new account to pass your second phase. After that, you can get funded on the third phase. So remember, there are no time limits, so you can take as much time as you need. Daily drawdown is only 5%. On the 100k account, that would be $5,000, and on the maximum drawdown that they offer is 10% industry based. The prices are as follows. So one of the best in terms of pricing in the industry. The 5k account goes for only $45, 10k goes for $80, 20k goes for $145, 50k $295, 100k $495 to get access to trade 100,000 in prop firm capital. So this is what you're doing. And 200k, it's only $995, and 500k, which is the highest account that is offered by Maven Prop Firm account, and that is one of the biggest accounts that is offered in the whole prop firm industry, guys, and it only goes for $2,395. So let's go and look at the one-step program that they offer. So the one step also has 5k to 500k account sizes, as you can see. So the 5k goes for $55, the 10k 95, 20, 180, 50, 345, 100k goes for $595, 200k for $1,195, and $500,000 goes for $2,995, guys. So remember, there's news trading, expert advisors are allowed, weekend holding is allowed. There's a unique buyback feature. Remember, I said we'll talk about this later in the video. So the profit target on the one-step challenge is 9%. Once you hit your 9% profit target, you are going to the funded stage, right? So once you hit your profit target of 9%, there's no second phase, there's no what, you're just going straight to receiving your funded account, and you can start earning real money. And the daily drawdown on this account is 4%, the best in the industry, right? 4% on a daily drawdown, and the maximum trailing drawdown on the one step challenge is 6%, and you can't better that. Minimum trading days it's 0. So as you can pass or you can get funded in minutes, right? As soon as you hit the profit target, you are going on to get funded, since we don't have any minimum trading days. So let me just show you guys how it works on Maven trading, right? So you are 4 steps away from harnessing your trading skills. You are 4 steps away from earning real money from Prop Firm challenge. Don't waste your time trading very small accounts. So this is a very big opportunity for traders who have the skills to pass a Prop Firm challenge. And if you don't have the skills, remember, I'm showing you the strategy that you need to be using to pass these challenges on Maven trading, right? So number 1, what you need to do is complete a challenge, right? Be it a 2-step challenge or a 1-step challenge. You have to complete your challenge. In the rules, you have to make sure you hit the profit target while in the permitted drawdown limits, and you have to get verified, right? So get verified, and I know all of you guys are legit traders, and you are not going to find any hardships getting verified, and it is going to be a fast process. Become a funded trader. Step 3, congratulations, you've got a funded trading account that you can keep 80% of your profits, guys. One of the industry best, right? You have to keep 80%. So let's take, for example, you are trading a $100,000 account and you make $10,000. It means you are going to keep 8,000 and you are going to receive that in real money. So you get paid, as you can see. So these are the steps that you have to take to trade with the Maven platform. So the other thing that I like so much about Maven trading is their withdrawal time, right? So most prop firms, right, they give you a withdrawal after 30 days of placing your first trade on your funded account. So Maven trading only takes 14 days for you to get a profit, to get your profit after trading your funded account. So let's say you are funded, you have to put a trade, then you have to count from the first day you put your first trade, you are going to get profits in 14 days, built for traders. So remember, I was talking about the buyback feature. On Maven trading. So let's say you violate your funded account. You don't have to start all the way from challenges and everything. You have already proven your skill. So what you just need to do is to reset your account and go back to your funded account. So this is available after passing your challenge. So there's a feature of resetting your funded account, guys. You don't have to go and do the challenges all over again. You can just instantly reset your account, your funded account. Start trading again with real money. This is what you need to know about Maven trading and why it is the go-to prop firm right now in the industry. So let's just look at the reviews from other traders. Let's hear it from other traders now on Trustpilot and see what they say. So best prop firm ever. So for your own information, guys, on Trustpilot, Maven trading is the highest rated prop firm in the whole industry. Best prop firm ever, unmatched, best prop firm I've come across, best prop firm ever finally passed. Maven has always been the best, and as I was saying in this video, guys, Maven is the best. So now that you know which is the best prop firm to trade with, let's just go to the charts and I'll show you the strategy that you can use to pass any challenge on Maven trading. So let's just go to the charts and I'll show you. And one more thing guys on Maven trading before we look into the strategy that you need to pass your challenge with Maven trading. You can now scale up your account if you don't take your profits above 5%. So let's take, for example, you have a $5,000 funded account, right? You forfeit your profits of $250. It means you are going to get a 10,000 funded account, right? If you don't take your 5% profits, you will get double your funded account, right? So let's just go into the strategy that I want to talk about. So this is Euro JPY on the 5-minute time frame, right? EJ. So what you just need to do on EJ is very simple. Prices to take out a low in a particular session. So these colors show different sessions of trading, right? So you just wait for price to take out a low like this in a session. Then you mark you mark the order block that is responsible for that. For example, you mark this one as your order block, and you wait price to go there. If price doesn't go, you wait for another break in another session. As you can see, price took out this one in this session, right? This was a break of a structure. What do you go for? You go for the order block here. And what are you going to do if price goes, or if price comes to that order block? You are going to get your entries, and your stop loss is going above that, and you're going for 1 in 2, guys. And if you can get 5 winning trades or 4 winning trades, you can pass a Maven trading challenge. Let me just show you another example here, right? You have to wait for a break of a break of a low, and a retest of this order block right here. So what are you waiting for in this area? You're just waiting for price to move back to the order block and go away like this. This is the strategy that you can use to pass your Maven challenge right away. So let's just look at some more examples on this particular pair and see if you can get something to trade here. So remember, you wait for a break of structure in a session, right? Remember, we work with sessions here. We just don't trade anyhow or anytime we want, right? So we have a break of structure, as you can see here. Where's the order block responsible for that? This is your order block, and you're going for 1 in 2, and this is your trade. This is EJ, guys. EJ, break of structure right here. What are you waiting for? You are waiting for a retest of an order block in this area, and this is how you are going about it. And as you can clearly see, you can pass your challenge with 4 to 5 trades trading this simple strategy. And if you can clearly see again, we have another setup in this area where you are just looking for a break of structure in a session and a retest to the order block, as you can clearly see. And you are going for you are going for 1 in 2 risk to reward ratio, and you are looking at maximizing from that, right? So let's just trade, as you can see. So this is a strategy, a super strategy that you can use to pass your Maven trading challenge. Is what I wanted to show. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you trade what you see.